Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is chapter 1, exercise 1, question 9. In this class, today I will solve question 9 from exercise 1 and example 4 is given for your homework. This is our lecture number 4 and this is our homework number 2 and this is your homework example 4. I have given from your book example 4 from page 8. Example 4 from page 8. This is example 4. This question I have given as your homework. Okay, dear students, you will solve this question as your homework. Okay, now I will show you the solution of question 9 of exercise 1. Okay, dear students, let us see the question at first. Question 9. The following geometrical figures are constructed with sticks. These are three figures here. 1, 2, 3. These figures are constructed with some sticks. First question, make a list of the number of sticks. Question B, explain how can you find the next number in the list. Question C, construct the next figure with sticks and verify your result. It means that at first we have to determine the number of sticks in the given figure. It means we have to determine the list of number of sticks. In question B, we have to explain how can we get the number of sticks in the next figure. We have to explain that process. In question C, we have to construct the next figure and then we have to verify our next figure is correct. We have to verify that. Okay, dear students, let us see how can we solve the question. See the solution. Question A at first. I will solve question A. From the figure, we can say in the first figure, there are how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we count how many sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write here. In the first figure, there are 4 sticks. In the second figure, there are how many sticks here? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sticks. And in the third figure, there are how many sticks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticks. So we can say the list of the number of sticks will be 4, 7 and 10. So the required list of number of sticks. So the required list of number of sticks is, we can write the list now, that is 4, 7 and 10. This is the required list and this form a pattern. This is the numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern also. Okay, dear students, so I have done question A. Now I will solve question B. Question B. Explain how can you find the next number in the list. It means that we have to determine the process of determining the next number in the list. Okay, we can determine in many ways. but I will show you only one. Okay, dear students, this list will be needed for question B. So we can write the solution of question B. From the given geometric pattern, we can get the following numeric pattern. By counting the number of sticks as follows. So the required numeric pattern will be, in the first figure we will get 4 sticks. In the second figure we will get 7 sticks, and in the third figure we will get 10 sticks. So this is our required numeric pattern. This pattern we can determine from the given geometric pattern. Now we can determine the difference between two consecutive number or consecutive terms of the pattern. So write here difference. Difference means we have to determine the difference between two consecutive terms. In this case, every time the difference is 3. So we can write here, observe that every time, observe that the difference between two consecutive terms of the pattern is same. In bracket we are writing 3. It means every time the difference is 3. Difference is same. And in bracket I have written 3 here. It means that the difference is 3. Okay. Now we can write, so the numbers are increasing by 3. So every time the numbers are increasing by 3. Therefore, if we add 3 with the third number or with the previous number, we will get the next number. Therefore, if we add 3 with the previous number, we will get the next number. We will get the next number. So this is the process for determining the next number. This is the process of determining the next number. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question B. So the process is we have to add 3 with the previous number to get the next number. Okay, now I will solve question C. Question B is done. Question C is construct the next figure with sticks and verify your result. So we have to construct the next figure. The students, in the first figure is one rectangle, in the second figure here are 2 rectangles, in the third figure there are 3 rectangles, 1, 2, 3. So in the fourth figure there will be 4 rectangles. So we can write according to the given geometric pattern, we can draw or we can construct the next pattern or next figure as follows. Now we can construct the figure. So here will be 4 rectangles here. There will be 4 rectangles here. Okay. So this is the next figure. This is the next figure. Now if we count the number of sticks in this figure, we will get the number of sticks in the fourth figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. From the figure we get the number of sticks in the we get the number of sticks is 15 by counting. Okay, if we count here, we will get 13 here, not 15. If we count here, we will get 13 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We will get the 13 sticks. Now, in another process, we have to determine the number of sticks. The numeric pattern of the given geometric pattern is pattern is 4, 7, 10. Difference between two consecutive terms is 3. Difference between two consecutive terms is 3. So the number of sticks in the next pattern will be, so the number of sticks in the next pattern, in the next figure, in the next term or next figure will be 10 plus 3 equal to 13. We have determined the number of sticks from the figure by counting 13, and from the given geometric pattern we have seen that the difference is same between two consecutive term is same. So in the next figure the number of sticks will increase by 3, so we have to add 3 with 10 to get the next number, and that is 13. So we can say in both cases the number of sticks in the next pattern is same. This is verified. Therefore in both cases the number of sticks in the next figure is same. So the constructed figure is correct. Constructed figure is correct. Verified. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. I have completed the creative question 9 from exercise 1, and example 4 is given for your homework. This is your homework 2. See, here are some geometric figures given. Above geometric figures are formed with sticks of equal length. Question A. Form the fourth pattern and find out the number of lines. Question B. Which algebraic expression is followed by the pattern? Present it with logic. Question C. Find how many lines will be required to form the first 50 patterns of the pattern. Okay, dear students, this question is solved in your book in example 4 at page 8. Do this as your homework. Keep practicing at home and submit your homework on next Saturday and take your previous copy on that day. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.